Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 11 Pro Plus and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So I'd like to show you two different ways to block a number. First of all, we will use our contacts, so we will block the number we've got currently saved, and then I'll show you kind of manual way of blocking the number. So let's start with the contacts. Let's find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and then pick 3 dots icon in the right upper corner. Now let's tap on block number, and as you can see, your device will ask you if you really want to do it, because you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. So simply tap on block if you're ready, and as you can see, we've got this characteristic icon and the information that this number has been blocked. Of course, we can unblock it the same way, right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will appear on the blacklist, because this is a second way of blocking the number. And here it does not really matter whether you will be on the contacts, recents or the favorites. Just tap on the 3 dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on the settings. Here we have to tap on blocked numbers, and as you can see, this is our blacklist. That's the number we just blocked from our contacts, so the previous way also works. And I've also told you that this way is more manual, so we have to tap on add a number, and as you can see in this section, we can simply enter it with the usage of this keypad. Of course, if you want, you can paste it here if you've got it copied, and then tap on block. And as you can see, it will also immediately appear on the blacklist. We can also turn on this unknown option just by tapping on the switcher, and from now on your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. It may be quite useful, but not always. You can turn it off the same way. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and confirm it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.